All right. Good morning. It's really cold. I've been awake for about an hour, but kind of delaying getting up because I'm warm inside my sleeping bag. Um, I was kind of trying to wait for the sun to rise uh, to warm things up before I got out of bed. You can see it's light out there. Can't quite see the sun yet, but it is light. And I slept pretty well. Woke up from the cold a couple times, but all things considered, pretty good. I got a good little setup here. Not sure how well you can see all that. Here's the front of the car. Um, Pretty spacious back here. It's really cold. It's like 20 degrees out or something. I think I think I'm gonna get out of this. I'm gonna try to do some push-ups to get warm. Now I was gonna say, and then I'm gonna change my clothes, but I'm not gonna change my clothes. I'm really cold. I'm just gonna start driving, and then once the sun is up a little more, I will I will change my clothes and I will eat breakfast. But for now, it's time to do some push-ups, kind of transform the car back into driving mode, and just turn the car on so I can warm up a little. Okay, 3, 2, 1. There's the sun. There's Tango. And yeah, 6:45, time to hit the road.